Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 18 of my Tag a Day November. So let's see what I used today. First off, I used the Sweet November stamps, Sweet November gal, Brianna. Have her in there backwards, but you can see she's a pretty girl with some flowers on her dress. Used the nested tags from scrapbook.com. And just keeping with my theme with these Sweet November gals, I pulled out the Basic Gray June Bug paper pad, 6x6. And then I used the Stampin' Up! Perfect Pennants stamp set for this sentiment. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. I'm sure that this is long retired, but it came in handy. And here is my tag for today. I thought that paper just went perfect with her flowers on her dress. There's that sentiment, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. I chose the colors from the paper when I colored her up. Some ribbon for the top there. I remembered my stamp and then cardstock on the back. And I just think she's beautiful. And as always, I'm having a blast with these Sweet November gals. And I can't wait to do more. So that's what I have for you for today for day 18. And until tomorrow, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.